What's up YouTube? You're welcome to my channel MC Smart Homes. I'm Clay. On MC Smart Homes we do unboxing and reviews of smart home gadgets. We look at automation rules you can use in your smart home setup, and we do some examples and setup for things you can do with your smart home gadgets. In today's video we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Aqara B1 curtain motor and curtain tracks. The curtain track Xiaomi uses the DT82 versions, which are very peculiar to Xiaomi products, and the B1 is an upgrade to the previous curtain motor which Xiaomi had. In B1 version they have added a battery pack to this device which the previous one did not have, a 3030 milliampere hour battery, and Xiaomi says a 3030 milliampere hour battery can run for over 3 to 4 months depending on the weight of your curtains, but also on how good your internet connection is. Also they have added the weight this motor can carry from 50 in the previous version to 60 in this current version. This device runs on 100 volt to 240 volts. That means it has a very dynamic range, even with really low voltage as down as 100 this device can run. So we have to unbox this and see what's inside and see what it's made of. So let's check it out. So this is what it looks like. Here is the battery. Here is the motor, and here is the power brick for the motor. So you can connect this directly to power and use the power brick to run it, but you can connect the battery to it. And this is the power button, and right here it indicates the level of the battery. I don't know if you can see this. It indicates what level the battery is. You see the LED light comes on. So the B1 can be controlled using the Mi Home app, which after adding it to, you can add automation rules. It has a cool feature which you move the curtains and the motor kicks in, and it can close or open depending on what state it was in. But you can also configure a switch to control this. So you can configure a wireless switch to open this. In one of our videos we did the wireless switch and we saw it had different modes. It had the single click, the double click, and the long press. So you can choose to use a single click to open, another single click to close, or you can choose to use a long press to be the open signal and another long press to close it. So even remotely, just like every other smart device, you can use your phone to control it even when you're out. You can give the impression you're at home by closing your curtains even when you're out or something like that. So it gives really cool automation possibilities. So this device, you can automate it to do several things. For example, you can schedule what time your curtain should open or what time your curtain should close. For example, if you feel like places get dark at say 6 o'clock, you can schedule your curtains to close at 6. Or if you wake up by 6, you can automate your curtains to open by 6. So you can do that. And also there is this possibility of using other devices, other sensors like the door or the motion sensor to trigger this device. You can do an automation which says every time you come into your house, maybe after 6, once you open your door, your curtain should close. That can work. Or you can say maybe anytime there's movement in your house at 6 a.m. your curtain should open, meaning you are awake. That too can happen. There is one thing about these curtains that I feel Xiaomi can do better, is make it be an input device. What I mean is, This device can not trigger other devices to do things, but rather other devices can trigger it to do things. For example, the door sensor can trigger the B1 to open, but the B1 cannot trigger your lights to come on, but rather the lights can trigger the B1 to come on. So I think that is something which Xiaomi can work on and get to do something better out of it. During one of our videos where we did a review of the Xiaomi microwave, we said you could set that device to turn on other things when it's done cooking. The curtains is one of those devices which you can set up, and I feel it is a cool way of doing it, rather than maybe brightening your bulb. You may not notice, but if you do this automation that your curtains open every time your microwave is done cooking or closes, I feel it's kind of a very bold way of making a statement. Okay guys, that was it for the Aqara B1 curtain motor, and we'll do a video every week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, like, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you have an instant update every time we have a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section, and you can watch our previous video from this link, and until then, be good.